Are you looking for the best doorbell security cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best doorbell security cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Certified Refurbished Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell is a certified refurbished device that allows you to answer your door from anywhere using your smartphone. With 1080p HD day and infrared night video, as well as two-way audio, you can communicate with visitors easily. The device has long-lasting battery life, customizable alerts, and privacy settings. It also sends alerts when motion is detected or someone presses the doorbell, and you can connect it to existing doorbell wiring or pair it with a sync module, sold separately, for live view and two-way audio on demand. You can choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the sync module 2 and USB drive, each sold separately. The Blink Video Doorbell is designed for every home, and you can either go wire-free or connect it to your doorbell wiring to also sound your existing in-home chime. It is easy to set up yourself in minutes with the 2 included AA lithium batteries and connect to Wi-Fi in the app. The device works with Alexa, so you can receive alerts and answer with two-way audio. When wired or paired with a sync module, you can simply ask Alexa to answer the front door. What we like. Certified Refurbished. Long-lasting battery life. Customizable alerts. Easy to set up. Alexa enabled. Number 2. Refurbished Blink Video Doorbell. A certified refurbished Blink Video Doorbell, the Blink Video Doorbell offers convenient features to enhance your home security. With 1080p HD day and infrared night video, you can answer your door from your smartphone no matter where you are. The two-way audio allows you to communicate with visitors, providing an added layer of convenience. You can receive alerts when motion is detected or when someone presses the doorbell. Additionally, you have the option to save and share video clips in the cloud or locally. The Blink Video Doorbell can be used wire-free or connected to existing doorbell wiring, allowing you to choose the setup that suits your needs. With easy setup and compatibility with Alexa, the Blink Video Doorbell is a reliable and user-friendly solution for your home security needs. What we like. 1080p HD video. Two-way audio. Wire-free or wired. Number 3. Blink Mini Smart Security Camera. Keep an eye on your home day and night with the Blink Mini Smart Security Camera. This indoor plug-in camera offers 1080p HD video, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. Receive smartphone alerts whenever motion is detected and customize motion detection zones to focus on what matters most. With live view and two-way audio, you can see, hear, and speak to people and pets in your home from anywhere. Plus, use the Mini as an indoor chime for your Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Mini is easy to set up and works with Alexa, allowing you to engage live view, arm and disarm your camera, and more using your voice. With 2 cameras, mounting kits, USB cables, and power adapters included, you can monitor multiple areas of your home. What we like. Compact and easy to set up. Clear 1080p HD video quality. Integration with Alexa for voice control and reminders. Motion detection and alert notifications. Night vision for monitoring in low light conditions. Number 4. Blink Mini 2 Smart Security Camera. The Blink Mini 2 cameras provide a reliable way to keep an eye on your home from anywhere. With 1080p HD live streaming and color night vision, you can see what's happening at any time, day or night. The built-in spotlight enhances visibility in low light, ensuring you never miss important details. You'll also appreciate the two-way audio feature, allowing you to communicate directly through the camera. Plus, with real-time motion alerts sent to your smartphone, you can respond to any activity instantly, giving you peace of mind while you're away. What we like. High-definition video quality. Two-way audio communication. Real-time motion alerts. Color night vision. Number 5. Blink Mini 2 Smart Camera. The Blink Mini 2 camera connects you to your home like never before. With 1080p HD live streaming and color night vision, you can see what's happening at any time. The built-in spotlight enhances visibility in low light, making it easier for you to monitor your surroundings. Plus, the two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with anyone at home through your smartphone, offering peace of mind whether you're at work or on vacation. You'll receive real-time alerts for any movement detected, so you can react promptly, no matter where you are. What we like: high-definition video quality, color night vision, real-time motion alerts, two-way audio communication.